Welcome back, beautiful. It's Anna. Today we're gonna have a big, extreme clean motivation with me. I have to clean the whole upstairs, and when I say all upstairs, it's including my room, the living room, my 10-year-old bedroom, and the bathroom. I do have my other kids' bedrooms, and I do clean their rooms at least once a week, deep cleaning them. But they are old enough to do it themselves now, and if I see that it is really, really dirty, then I'll jump in and help them out, as well as the 10-year-old. He went out of control with that bedroom, and it's an extreme mess. So he is going to be washing his own clothes. I am going to be monitoring him and helping him out. He is 10, like I said, so now he is able to do it himself, but he still has to have my help a little bit, especially in the laundry, because if I let him do it himself, then he'll finish the whole detergent. So I always try to start by putting the liquid in the toilets, and so that way they can start soaking, and then from there I'll leave that in there until the end when I'm gonna start cleaning them, and I continue with the rest. Which my bedroom, surprisingly, I don't have a lot of mess like usually. I do have a few loads of laundry that I had in the white basket, and then a few pieces of clothing that it was on the floor. So I will be starting by putting my bedding into the washer, so that way by the end of the cleaning they could be clean and dry. They end up not being finished by the end of the video, but at least the covers and one of the blankets was complete and finished and dry. Now for the laundry room, I will not be sharing with you guys on this video how I do clean it. I did deep clean the laundry room after the following day. As you guys know, I am a full-time working mom, and usually my cleaning videos will always be after work or on the weekends. This one in particular was on the weekends, but again, I have other stuff to do throughout the weekend, like meal planning and grocery shopping and other stuff that involves the getting ready for the week. So that's why I always try to keep my cleanings at least in sections. I did clean the downstairs area a few days before, and now I will be focusing on upstairs. Like I said at the beginning, I will not be cleaning my other three boys' bedrooms, and I am not gonna go in there. They also do have a mess, but because they are old enough to do it, they have to get ready to clean their rooms, and hopefully by next week I can do a deep clean on their bedrooms. Now the living upstairs that you will see, I do have a lot of craft stuff and a few tables in there that I keep all my materials and my Cricut stuff. That living room, it's a big project that we have this year. So if you are interested to see any renovations, any cleaning, decoration, or any other type of mom related videos, this is the good channel for you, and I will really appreciate if you subscribe and stick around with me. I do have a big project on that as well as on the laundry. So if you guys really want to follow along on the journey on how we do remodeling, a few years ago we did remodel the downstairs flooring. We did it all of ourselves, and now our plan is to do the upstairs. So that is one project that it is on the list, and I'm really excited for that because it's been a few years already that I've been wanting to work on that living room. If you have any suggestions, I will be putting some polls on Instagram, and so you guys can follow along on the journey on what are the items that I'm going to be putting upstairs, and also the paint of the walls. So I will be linking my Instagram down in the description. That way you guys can go and follow along with the journey. and I'm gonna let you enjoy the music that I chose on this video. I hope that you do enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give me your comment down below on which song you love the most. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this type of video, and hopefully if you are new, you become part of the squad. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for joining in this video and getting some motivation for your cleaning Sunday morning or any other day that you will see. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, yeah. You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself, baby, baby.